Hi everyone. Today I want to show you how to get started with Zoom on your Mac. Starting from downloading and installing the Zoom software to use Zoom and join your first meeting. Now if you don't know Zoom, basically Zoom is a very easy and powerful software for online meetings in general. This includes virtual learning and video conferencing. One of the best features of Zoom is the high video and audio quality. The second thing I like about it is it's free. Due to COVID-19, many of us are required to work from home or take our classes online. Therefore, we need to download and install Zoom. And in this video, I will go through that step by step. Alright, first we need to download Zoom. We go to the Zoom website, which is zoom.us. I will leave the link of the website down below in the description. Now here we are at the Zoom website. You need to go to the top right and hover on resources. And then go down to the download Zoom client and give it a click. Now at the download page, you should see Zoom client for meeting. Click the download button. It takes a few seconds to download the Zoom software. After it's done downloading, you can run the installer from here, or go to your download folder. Inside your download folder, you should see a file named zoom.package. Double click the Zoom file to run the installer. Now click on continue, and then click on install. Now you just wait for it to finish the installation. Once it's done, you will hear a beep. Go ahead and close the installer window. After I am done, I usually move the installer to the trash. Zoom window should now pop up. As you can see, now you have officially downloaded and installed Zoom. Now, usually, if you have a class or a conference, you will be provided with a Zoom meeting ID. You don't have to have a Zoom account, sign up, or sign in. You just need to click on Join a Meeting. A new window will show up. Now put your meeting ID on the first box, your name on the second box, and then click Join. After that, your host will receive your request to join the meeting, and now it's up to them to let you in the Zoom meeting. For the sake of this video, we are going to stop here. But if you want to see more details about how to use Zoom, creating a Zoom account, and setting up meetings, inviting people, and screencasting, I will do another video that goes in depth and details. I will leave a link of the video down below in the description. If this video helped you download and install Zoom on your Mac, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more future videos about Mac and iOS, hit the subscribe button. That way, you will get notified anytime new content like this comes out. And lastly, if you want me to cover any other topics in the future, leave a comment down below and I'll add it to my list of videos to create. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you next time. Bye.